Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upscale images without losing quality in Stable Diffusion. Let's get started. So first, there's an important note. The upscale feature is only available in upgraded version of the Stable Diffusion app. So let's get started. The step one you need to do is to choose a good upscaler tool. You need to use a model designed for upscaling. Some of the best are the Gun or Real S Gun, the 4S Ultra Sharp, Latent, Swin IR, and you'll find this in Automatic 111 Web UI or online platforms. Then, using Automatic 1111, if it's installed locally, you can add extra stub. Like this in option 1 and go to the extras tab and upload your image and select upscaler and resize the factor and click generate. And the option B is the image to image upscaling. Go to image to image tab and upload your image and set denoising strength and set dimension to a larger size and pick a good sampler. Use a clean prompt or leave it empty or neutral result. Then click generate. And pro tip, use a 4x ultra sharp for realistic or detailed art or use Swin IR for anime or clean vector style image. If you're using a control net, try applying upscaling with post preservation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.